Ever wondered why you feel stuck even though you thought you left your bad habits behind? Why it feels like you're doing everything right, watching self-help videos, motivating yourself, but nothing is actually changing. The truth is, your mind is being hijacked by the very content you consume, from self-help videos to happening girls on Instagram. It's all cheap mind. It makes you feel like you're improving in your life, but you aren't. You're still in the same room with same clothes, the same car, and the same bank account, and the same problems. The only difference is your dopamine levels went up temporarily. And if you are feeling good right now while watching this video, meditate for 10 minutes instead, because there is no point in feeling motivated if you aren't going to do anything. Let's get real. Every scroll, every like, every video you binge watch gives your brain a dopamine hit. Over time, your brain gets hooked on the short burst of pleasure, just like a drug. And here's the catch. This ruins your brain. Now when it's time to do something hard, like reading, working out, building your business, your brain resists. Why? Because it's been trained to get rewards fast. No struggle, no discomfort. Just cheap and easy dopamine. Motivation isn't the answer. You don't need another quote. You don't need another productivity guru. What you need is a system. Here's what you can do from tomorrow. Wake up and don't touch your phone for at least 2, 3, 4 hours. Move your body. Do workout, do walk, drink water, whatever. Do something meaningful. Either work on your business, learn something new, or at least read some books, some self-help books or philosophical books. Instead of scrolling for 2 hours, you will be learning to code, either cook or invest. Anything that actually levels you up. You are not stuck because you are lazy. You are stuck because you have been programmed. The algorithm really doesn't care about your goals. It only cares about your attention. You can either stay a consumer or become a creator. So build a system for yourself. So close this video right now. Not because I want you to leave, but because the real work doesn't happen here. It happens when you get uncomfortable, get focused and get to work. No more cheap dopamine. It's time to earn the real shit. Remember, in this world, only the best, richest and strongest survives.